Hello everyone, my name is Adia Manatqıza and I'm a student at Astana IT University, studying Digital Public Administration in Group DPA 2502. Welcome to my e-portfolio for the Business Administration subject. This portfolio shows all my works, progress and learning results during the semester. You can find my company profiles, lecture and practice tasks, weekly independent studies, and my final project here. On the main page, I also wrote a short introduction about myself and added my favorite quote by Abay Kunanbayev. Walk calmly and firmly, your effort will not be wasted. This quote inspires me to study hard and move forward step by step, even when the results are not immediate. For me, the e-portfolio is not only a collection of tasks, it's a reflection of my learning journey and growth during this course. Next, company profiles, Duolingo and Kundaliki-Z. In this section, I present two companies, one global and one local. The first company is Duolingo, founded in 2011 by Louis Vonan and Severin Hacker in the USA. Duolingo is a language learning platform that uses gamification to make studying fun and effective. Its mission is to make education free and available to everyone, and its vision is to give every person access to high-quality education through technology. Duolingo offers lessons in more than 40 languages and has over 500 million users around the world. It also created the Duolingo English Test and Duolingo for Schools. One of the reasons I choose Duolingo is because I personally like its creative learning approach. The second company is Kundaliki-Z, a Kazakhstani platform created by Bilim Media Group in 2012. It connects students, teachers, and parents, helping them manage the learning process online. Its mission is to digitalize education in Kazakhstan, and its vision is to create a smart and innovative learning environment. More than 3 million users across the country use Kundaliki-Z daily. It plays an important role in Kazakhstan's education system because it helps make education more transparent and accessible. Both companies show how technology can change the way we learn globally and locally. In this part of my portfolio, I included my assignments 1 to 4. Each assignment helped me understand business administration from different sides, such as management, marketing, corporate social responsibility, and technology in business. Through these assignments, I learned how companies use digital tools, how they build strategies, and how leadership and innovation are connected. It also helped me develop skills like research, analysis, and academic writing, which I used later in my final project. Here I collected all my practice tasks from weekly lessons. Each task was done in Miro, where I added screenshots, diagrams, and analysis. These tasks helped me apply the theory from lectures to real business cases. For example, I created SWOT and pastel analysis, business models, and marketing mixes for different companies. I liked working in Miro because it made the process more visual and interactive. It was a creative way to organize my thoughts and connect ideas during teamwork. In this section, I presented all my lecture tasks, especially mind maps for chapters 1 to 17. Each mind map summarizes the main ideas of every chapter from our textbook. Creating these mind maps helped me understand key topics such as leadership, motivation, communication, management functions, and innovation. It also made it easier to review before exams. By making visual summarize, I learned to structure information better and see how different business concepts are connected. Every week, I completed student-independent study tasks. They allowed me to study business topics more deeply and develop self-learning skills. For example, I researched modern business models, analyzed global companies, and discussed digital transformation. These weekly studies helped me build confidence in using business vocabulary and improve my analytical thinking. These tasks also prepared me for the final exam, the capstone project, which I will explain next. So next, executive summary report, final project. My final project is called Global Lessons, Local Adaptations Roadmap for Kazakhstan. It compares two companies, also Duolingo and Kundaliki-Z, and analyzes how global business practices can be adapted to Kazakhstan local context. The purpose of this report is to find ways to help Kundaliki-Z improve by learning from Duolingo's global experience. The main goal is to make education in Kazakhstan more engaging, innovative, and effective using digital tools. First, I analyzed both companies' journeys. Duolingo uses gamification, AI, and creative design to keep users motivated. Kundaliki-Z provides digital diaries and communication system for schools. Both companies believe in free and equal access to education, but their methods and scale are different. Then I compare them using management, marketing, KCR, and technology frameworks. In management, Duolingo uses agile leadership, while Kundaliki-Z follows a bureaucratic model. To grow faster, Kundaliki-Z can become more flexible and innovative. In marketing, Duolingo focuses on gamification and user psychology, while Kundaliki-Z targets schools. Adding fun features like budget and tricks can improve engagement. In KCR, both companies support quality education, but Kundaliki-Z can do more training teachers in digital skills. In technology, Duolingo uses AI and personalization, while Kundaliki-Z could integrate AI to give personalized learning experiences. After comparing both companies, I developed a one-year roadmap for Kundaliki-Z. Let me explain it step by step. This roadmap is designed to help the company adapt global best practices from Duolingo and apply them in a way that fits the Kazakhstan educational context. It focuses on 4 key phases across 1 year, each with clear actions and measurable KPIs. In the first quarter, Kundaliki-Z should focus on improving user experience and engagement. The main step is to conduct a UX audit and introduce gamification features such as budgets, streaks, and progress tracking. These tools will make learning more interactive and motivate students to use the platform regularly. The expected result is a 10% increase in daily active users and higher user satisfaction scores. In the second quarter, the goal is to integrate AI-based analytics that will personalize learning reports for teachers and students. This feature will help educators monitor student performance and adjust lessons according to progress. By the end of the phase, at least 70% of teachers should start using the new analytics tools. In the third quarter, the focus shifts to social responsibility and accessibility. Kundaliki-Z can launch a national digital literacy program for teachers, especially in rural areas, in partnership with the Ministry of Education and telecom companies. This initiative aims to train around 2,000 teachers and increase rural school activity by 15%. Finally, in the fourth quarter, the platform should introduce a freemium parental dashboard and allow data access mode. This will allow parents to track their children's progress and make the platform more inclusive for users with limited internet access. By the end of the year, Kundaliki-Z can achieve a 20% growth in user engagement and generate 5% of new revenue from premium features. In short, this roadmap combines Duolingo's innovation model with Kundaliki-Z national mission. It's not only about technology, but also about improving the quality, accessibility, and sustainability of digital education in Kazakhstan. If successfully implemented, these steps will transform Kundaliki-Z from a basic e-diary into a dynamic learning ecosystem, empowering both teachers and students, and positioning Kazakhstan as a regional leader in digital education. In the sources section, I listed all references I used from textbooks, reports, and official websites. They helped me write an evidence-based and well-structured report. To conclude, this e-portfolio shows my personal and academic growth during the business administration course. I improved my skills in research, analysis, writing, and digital communication. I also learned how to connect global business ideas with local realities. Creating this e-portfolio was a valuable experience. It taught me how to organize my learning results and present them in a professional way. I'm grateful to my teacher for their support and collaboration. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed learning about my work, my e-portfolio, and my final project.